Hey knowledge lovers! Today we're reviewing the Mastering Adobe Photoshop Specialization, a hands-on, advanced path focused on creative retouching, smart product mockups, and bold poster effects in Photoshop CC. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What this specialization covers. Scope. You'll level up from comfortable user to confident creator, learning how to retouch portraits with precision, apply AI generative fill for realistic composites, and design vibrant poster layouts with gradients, masks, and lighting. Focus. The curriculum zeroes in on 3 areas: portrait retouching, mock-up design, and poster art, so you finish with practical pieces that clients actually request. Who teaches you? Instructor. The program is led by Kate Silver, a graphic and shoe designer and top teacher with experience at brands like Jimmy Choo and Sophia Webster. Teaching style. Expect crystal clear demos, pro shortcuts, and project-driven lessons that translate directly to freelance gigs, brand assets, and social campaigns. Course-by-course experience. Creative retouching. You'll refine skin, hair, and eyes without plastic looks. Master frequency separation alternatives. Dodge and burn for depth, and use AI generative fill to add or remove elements while maintaining lighting and perspective. The goal is natural, editorial-grade portraits. Smart product mockups. You'll build realistic packaging, apparel, and screen mockups using smart objects, perspective warps, and vanishing point grids, ensuring your artwork conforms to curves, seams, and edges. Deliverables will look like real studio shots, perfect for client approvals and portfolios. Bold poster effects. You'll create neon and duotone visuals using gradient maps, blend modes, and selective glow. With masks, adjustment layers, and lighting passes, you'll craft punchy layouts suited for music promos, events, and brand launches. Remember that if you are interested in the course, you have the link with the best price in the description. Tools and workflows you'll actually use. Retouching stack, non-destructive layers, selective color, advanced healing, and contouring with curves. AI and compositing. Generative fill for object replacement and scene extensions, with attention to light direction and shadows. Mock-up mechanics. Smart objects for instant artwork swaps, displacement maps for fabric realism, and vanishing point for packaging accuracy. Poster language. Gradient maps for controlled palettes, inner-outer glows for neon tubing, and noise overlays for cinematic texture. Applied projects and portfolio value. Outcome. Across the 3 courses, you'll build a high-impact fantasy portrait, a personalized product mock-up set, and an eye-catching neon or duotone poster portfolio. Each project is designed to be client-ready, layered PSDs, reusable styles, and organized files, so you can show process and polish, not just final JPGs. Who this is for, and prerequisites. Fit. Ideal for intermediate users who understand selections, layers, masks, and basic adjustments and want to work faster and more creatively. Gear. You'll need Photoshop CC and a computer that can handle multiple adjustment layers. A pen tablet helps for retouching, but isn't mandatory. Strengths and honest watchouts. Strengths. The specialization is laser-focused on professional outcomes, clean retouching, believable mockups, and striking posters. The balance between AI features and manual control keeps your work looking intentional, not auto-generated. Watchouts. This is not a typography-heavy layout course or a deep dive into 3D. What you get is advanced 2D compositing, retouching, and mock-up craftsmanship. If you're brand new to Photoshop, a fundamentals course first will make this path smoother. You can obtain this course without a one-time payment, simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses for a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.